Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or just a bit off? Sometimes our bodies need a little rest, and one of the most important organs for that is often overlooked: our kidneys. Today, I'm sharing a powerful all natural elixir that has been used for generations to support kidney health. The lemon and garlic elixir. It is simple, it is cheap, and it might just be the boost your body needs. Stick around because we are making it together step by step. First, let's talk about why we are doing this. Your kidneys are your body's ultimate filtration system. Every day, they process about 200 quarts of blood to remove toxins and extra fluid. Keeping them healthy is crucial for your energy levels, blood pressure, and overall well-being. Now, let's break down our two superstar ingredients. First up, lemons. They are rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium in the urine. The other one, potassium powerhouse. This helps citrate levels in the urine, further stone-proofing your system. And also, vitamin C boost, a fantastic antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress. And our second powerhouse, garlic. Now, I know what you are thinking. Garlic, trust me, natural anti-inflammatory. It contains allicin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the kidneys. And also it is antioxidant rich, fights off free radicals that can damage kidney cells. And additionally, may support blood pressure. High blood pressure is leading cause of kidney damage, and garlic is famous for its heart health benefits. Alright, let's make this incredible simple elixir. It is what you will need. 1 up to 2 organic lemons, 3 up to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and 500 milliliter filtered water. A jar or large glass. Optionally, a tiny slice of ginger or a teaspoon of raw honey for flavor purpose. So now let's see how to make it step by step. Step 1. Wash your lemon thoroughly. We are going to use the whole lemon. Yes, the peel too. The peel contains powerful bioflavonoids. Slice one whole lemon into tiny rounds. Step 2. Peel 3 up to 4 cloves of garlic. You can give them a gentle crush with the flat side of your knife to release the allicin. Then, step 3. Add the lemon slices and crushed garlic cloves to your jar. Step 4. Pour the filtered water over everything, making sure the lemons and garlic are fully submerged. Step 5. The last step. Seal the jar and give it a gentle shake. Let it steep overnight in the refrigerator or for at least 8 hours. This allows the water to infuse with all the beneficial compounds. The next morning, your elixir is ready. Like to drink 1 glass first thing in the morning or an empty stomach. This allows for optimum absorption. Now, this is the most important part. Please listen carefully. I'm not a medical doctor. This is a traditional wellness remedy, not medical treatment. Consult your doctor before trying this, especially if you have any known kidney conditions, are on medication like blood thinners, have a garlic allergy. This is a supportive tonic, not a cure. It is meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Do not use this as a substitute for drinking plenty of plain water throughout the day. Water is still the number one best thing for you kidney. For the best results, pair this elixir with other kidney health habits. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water all day long. Eat a balanced diet. Reduce processed food, salt, and sugar. Move your body. Regular exercise supports overall health. And limit NSAIDs. Overusing painkillers like ibuprofen can harm kidneys. So, there you have it. A simple natural way to give your kidneys a little extra love. If you try this elixir, let me know how you feel in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.